Have half grated carrot. I'm going to add it. Then I have a small piece of raw mango. This is also grated. And I got one small onion chopped. I have one medium tomato chopped. Now I'm going to add half a teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, around half. If you want more, you can add it later. Then salt as per your taste. Hello everyone, welcome back again with another video. Today we're going to make a special video, churmuri. Churmuri is like a puffed rice. It's like a snack, evening snack. You can make it anytime. It doesn't have to be evening time. So for this recipe, I have here coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Then to this, I'm going to add, I have here grated, some of the grated ingredients, some of the cut ingredients. I have half grated carrot. I'm going to add it. Then I have a small piece of raw mango. This is also grated. And I got one small onion chopped. I have one medium tomato chopped. First I will add half tomato, then if I require I'm going to add it more. Then I have here chopped fresh coriander. Now I'm going to add half a teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, around half. If you want more, you can add it later. Then salt as per your taste. Just this much. Now I'm going to mix this well before adding the puff rice. Just mix well. Now I'm going to add the roasted peanuts. You roast the raw peanuts, then add it. If you already have a roasted peanuts, that's better. Just going to add it and mix again. Now I'm going to add few drops of lemon, not too much, just few drops, because tomato and mango already is sour. Don't add too much. Mix once again. Now finally I'm going to add the puff rice. Once you add the puff rice, right away you eat it. You don't keep the churmuri, otherwise it's going to go very soft. I'm going to add 4 cups. If you want more or less, you can add it according to how many people you have. Just 4 cups, that's all. Good for us. So now mixing and time to eat. Yes, I'm gonna mix the final product. This is how it's gonna look. Time to eat the churmuri. It's ready now. So friends, the puff rice churmuri chaat snack is ready. I'm gonna put it in the bowl. We're gonna eat now. It's evening time with some garam chai. Oh sorry, I dropped some. Doesn't matter. You don't have to be perfect. Nobody is perfect. Here, come and let's eat some churmuri. So friends, churmuri is ready. Very yummy. Give it a try. If you like this recipe, share with your friends. Give it a thumbs up and please do subscribe. Thank you for watching.